What is coding? You may not realize it, but you do it every day just by waking up, brushing your teeth, washing up, and drying off. So shouldn't coding education be just as easy? Meet Kamibot Pi. Kamibot Pi is a fun way for boys and girls to learn coding. Code your Kamibot to make creative drawings and engage in various coding activities. There are 4 ways to code Kamibot Pi: unplugged, graphical, block-based, and text-based coding. Children can code Kamibot Pi without a screen. Give commands by just using Kamibot's action cards or using the remote controller. Coding away from the screen can help children become more creative and discover new passions. Graphical coding with the KamiCard app allows users to pick their commands on their screen. Using KamiCard, early learners quickly become critical thinkers through various games and activities. Coding with Kamibot 3.0 gives our avid learners more control over the way they can interact with Kamibot Pi. The app will support coding for multiple robots on a single device. Cool projects like recreating the solar system get kids to work together in order to make the world go round. For advanced coders, we also provide text-based coding. Use Python to take coding with Kamibot to the next level. Our collection of activities will stimulate the endless imagination and curiosity of your children. Your child can explore each level of coding while creating fun and exciting projects.
The one thing that I really loved about Kamibot that makes it stand out from other coding robots is the apps. There's not just one app that kind of serves everything. There's apps that start with really young students and grow so that kids can use Kamibot from a very young age and keep on using it through their whole elementary school career, maybe even beyond.
Kamibot started with the idea of bringing papercrafts to life and took on great purpose through teaching your children to code. Our goal is for your kids to find the fun in coding, something they already do every day. Kamibot Pi, your child's easiest first step into coding.